Yo, I was expecting to sell it, but it's changing the direction. Anyway, whatever. Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. And I'm saying I'm back guys with another video. And guys, as I said, guys, this is 2024. We have a lot of work to do 2024, and 2024 is going to be our blessed year, guys. We're going to do the most in 2024. Trust me when I say that. You're going to learn a lot from my channel. I'm going to teach you how to trade for free. I'm going to, I will do the most for you guys. I will do a lot of things for you. So, as we speak right now, I was looking at GBP CAD, and I want to sell this pair. I wanted to sell this pair, but at the same time, I saw that it had two ways, right? Either I was gonna sell, either I was gonna buy. So let me show you what happened, guys, because I was expecting the pair to drop after gave me the 30 touch to the zone. You know, always you got two ways of making money. You can make money by buying. You can also make money by selling the opportunity. So I was expecting to sell this pair, me and my team, but I told them like, yo, even if the market already touched the 30 touch, we're not going to enter until we got the confirmations candlesticks. So before the confirmations candlesticks, the market decide to break out the zone. So there's nothing we can do with that. So all we need, we're still gonna play the same way as as the market shows us. Since the market break out the zone, we're gonna wait for the pullback and then we're gonna enter. So let me take you to the chart. Let me show you what I mean. And if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Click that like button and subscribe to the channel and join the free Telegram group, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of trading ideas in a free Telegram group. So don't miss that out. You can also join the team if you want to, but at the same time, you have to join the free Telegram group first. So let's get to the chart. I want to show you what I mean by that so that you can do the same thing when you want to take a trade. You can do as I do. This 2024, guys, no secret, no cap. I'm going to show everything. Let's get to the chart. So now in the chart, guys, I want to show you what happened to GBP CAD. All right, just because I want you to learn everything I did. This was my analysis, but I'm going to wipe everything so that I can start over with you, so that you can be able to learn and you know how to do this thing. So now you can see, guys, the chart is clean. I want to show you how I find this entry and how I was expecting to take this trade. And first of all, guys, you can see that the market is been the overall of the market. This is what I always looking at. The market is been on uptrend. Remember, guys, we're using trend line strategy and a zone strategy. You can see that from here the market has been going up on uptrend. You can see here, the market has been going on uptrend, something like that, right? And then the market, you can see that it's been moving in between first touch. This is the first touch, boom, second touch. We got another touch here, another touch here. This was just a pullback. So we can see that the market has been moving in between support and resistance. So this is our support, this one right here. So let's find the resistance as well. We're just gonna clone this one and we're gonna put it right here. Guys, as you can see now, the market is very clean. You can see the market is very clean. So guys, as I said to you guys, that 2024 you're going to learn many things. You're going to learn how to trade for free. So all you need is to do the right things, to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and then let me know guys on the comment section if you do like this type of content, and I'll do them a lot for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So now we can see that guys, the market is been moving in between support and resistance. You can see every single time the market reaches the resistance, it's been, you know, bouncing back, you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom. But at the end of the day, the market broke out the support right here. You can see right here what the market did, broke out the support, you know what I'm saying? And you know guys, every single time you see the market break out the support or the resistance, whatever the market break out the zone, the trend line, it always give the pullback, you know what I'm saying? Always expect the pullback. So what happened here is the market broke out, you know what I'm saying, to this point, and then it give us the pullback at this point right here, you know what I'm saying? So after give us the pullback right there, and what I do at this point, this is what I do. I just gonna take the zone. I just gonna put the zone right here. You know, as you can see here, we got a double top right here. You can see we got double top here. You know what I'm saying? So since the market already changed the direction, we're going to find our new trend right here. We're going to find our new trend. We're gonna forget about this one. We're going to find our new trend right here. So we're gonna find we're gonna put the trend line, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the trend line. You can see that we've been having the trend line right here, you know what I'm saying? You can see we've been having the trend line right here. This one was our support because the market is already changed the direction, and this one is going to be the resistance right here. You know what I'm saying? So now you can see guys, we had the new channel on downtrend, you know what I'm saying? Since the market broke out the zone, the support right here, gave us the breakout, give us the pullback, and give us the double top right here. If you can see here we got this double top. Let me show you nicely. Let me show you nicely. You can see that if you can connect this one and this one right here, this is double top. You know what I'm saying? This is double top. And after double top, this is what happened. After double top, the market dropped, you know what I'm saying, and it give us another pullback right here. And if you look closely right here, if you look close, there is also another zone. There's also another zone. Let me show you guys. There's also another zone. Here is another zone. Remember guys, when you're using trendline strategy, always don't forget to use the zone as well, because the trendline strategy always goes with a zone, you know what I'm saying? And you can see after the market broke out this zone right here, came to the resistance, and after resistance came back to the support, you know what I'm saying? After the support gave us the continuation, you know what I'm saying, on downtrend, boom, at this point, and came back to the support right here. And if you look close here, we had another zone as well. So let me show you which zone is that, which is this one right here. Is this zone right here. Alright, so this is very clean guys. You don't have to mess up your chart. Always understand the movement of the market. So now we can see that the market has been bouncing at this zone right here. This is why I find the market. Remember guys, I've been to the whole day. I was not around the market because I want to be safe. December is not safe for me because I've been through this business for years, so now I know what month to what kind of a month to focus in, which month I must not be in a market. So December, guys, I don't like to trade because many companies are closed, so the market is not moving as I wish. And I say, so that's why I'm like, yo, I don't do the trade in December. It's my time to rest, you know. So you can see that the market is bouncing right here at the zone right here. Boom, second touch, boom, 30 touch, and then it gave us the continuation at this point, and then the market, I find it right here. So this is where I find the market at. I find the market at this point. So I was expecting to sell the currency at this point here. I was expecting to sell the currency at this point here. So I've been expecting the confirmation candlesticks so that we can swing the market all the way to this point here. Let me show you. Guys. Please hold on. So I've been expecting the market to give me some confirmations here, so that I was gonna be able to sell the currency at this point here. This is what I was expecting, to sell the market until at this point here. This was gonna be my first take profit right here. It was some the pips was something about, let me check. The pips was gonna be something about, you know, your boy, 100 pips. I don't catch 20 pips, guys. I always, you know, when I enter the market, I always make sure I'm going to make enough pips. But at the same time, guys, I remember, if you already follow my Instagram, you already know. I showed you guys, like, yo guys, this is what is about to happen. It might break out. It might do something like this. You know, I told you guys, I told you my free Telegram group that it might do something like this. It might break out, or it might give us the confirmation candlestick here, and then we enter with a sell, we get out from here. Or else, it might do something like this. If it's gonna break out, we're gonna wait for the pullback here, and then we're gonna enter with a buy. So what is already happened right now, and this is what we're expecting. And as you can see here, the market is already, you know, break out right here, the zone. So what we're expecting right now, we can just switch on lower time frames and see. This is what we're expecting, guys. Look at this. This is what we're expecting right now. Now we're expecting to have some pullback, something like this. So this one is no longer exists. We're gonna take this out. So this is what we're expecting right now, the market to, you know, give us the pullback. After pullback right here at this point, we're gonna enter, guys, with the buy right here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna enter with the buy right here. Maybe our stop loss is gonna be somewhere around here. It's gonna depend on the pullback, what the pullback says. As soon as we get the confirmation with the pullback, we're gonna enter, and we're gonna swing this market, guys, so much, and we're gonna make enough profit from this market right here. But at the same time, all you need is to be patient. You know what I'm saying? If you are not patient, you're going to lose for sure. So patience is everything. I don't mind spending a day without having a trade, but as long as I know how the market is moving, you know what I'm saying? As long as I know the movement of the market, so I don't stress, because I know if I didn't make it today, I'll make it tomorrow. And I know that if I couldn't enter the market today, maybe, you know, I might be maybe saved my myself, my capital. Maybe I was gonna enter the trade and take me out. So I don't force the trade. That's how I do it. You know what I'm saying? So if you like this content, guys, like it, and leave the comment below. Let me know, guys, what should I do next for you guys, because I'm here for you, you know, your boy. And I'm I'm not here, guys, to flex on you. I'm here to teach you how to trade in the forex market. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to do funny things. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So peace out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. You know what I'm saying? This means a lot because I know how much this knowledge I was able, guys, to catch this knowledge. It was not easy, but today I'm giving to you for free. You know, and I break all the secret down for you guys because I want you to be blessed as well. You know what I'm saying? I really thank you, God, for sure, for where I am today, because if it was not forex, I don't know where I was gonna be today. But I'm thankful for sure. Make sure you keep focus, lock in, keep focus. Even if you don't understand things, you know, many things you don't understand them, just keep pushing, keep learning. You know what I'm saying? Your day is coming. You know what I'm saying? Your day is coming. You will start making it for sure, for sure, for sure. The only people who are loser are the people which they stop it, but the people who keep it on going, they are winners for sure. So peace out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you do the right things. Join the free Telegram group. Let's go make this shit together. And I say, let's make it happen. Peace out. See you on the next one.